The medial compartment or the adductor compartment of the thigh, there are the adductor muscles, and these are the adductor longus. This one is the adductor longus. Deep to the adductor longus, this one is the adductor brevis. This is one of the small muscle, that is the brevis. Brevis means choti, longus means lumby, and this one is the adductor magnus. Adductor magnus. Magnus means body. So these are the three adductor muscles: longus, brevis, and the magnus. And the just deep to the adductor longus, there is one more muscle. This muscle, that is the pectineus. So these are the muscles of the adductor compartment, that is the adductor longus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, and this one is the gracilis. The gracilis, that is one of the fine muscle, and that is getting inserted over the medial aspect of the medial condyle of the tibia, and from anterior to posterior there is an insertion of the SGT, that is the sartorius, and posterior to the sartorius there is an insertion of the gracilis, and deep to the gracilis there lies the tendinosus, that is the semitendinosus. And these muscles, the nerve supply of the medial compartment of the thigh, that is the obturator nerve, and the obturator nerve, that is the ventral division of the ventral rami of the lumbar plexus, and the obturator nerve, it runs downward, and the proximal part of the obturator nerve, it lies within the pelvis, and it leaves the pelvis through the obturator canal, and just in front of this adductor brevis, it divides into the anterior division and the posterior division. The anterior division, that is going to supply the pectineus. This one is the pectineus, adductor longus, and the gracilis. And this you can clearly see the anterior division, that is running just in front of the adductor brevis. This is the adductor brevis, and just in front of the adductor brevis, this nerve, that is the anterior division of the obturator nerve, that is inserting into the gracilis. And the this adductor brevis, that is either it is supplied by the anterior division or the posterior division, and if it is not supplied by the anterior division, it will be supplied by the posterior division of the obturator nerve. And the posterior division of the obturator nerve, it lies deep to the adductor brevis, and this you can clearly see. This is the posterior division of the obturator nerve, that is inserting into the adductor magnus. This is the adductor magnus, and the posterior division of the obturator nerve, that is supplying the adductor part of the adductor magnus and the obturator externus. The adductor magnus, it consists of the adductor part and the hamstring part. The hamstring part, that lies in the posterior compartment of the thigh, and that will be supplied by the tibial part of the sciatic nerve.